Next, let's look at the properties of real numbers. If A, B and C are real numbers, then we can say if A plus B, the answer is real numbers. A times B will also give us real numbers. Therefore, this type of property is known as closed properties. For commutative properties, A plus B equals to B plus A, or A times B equals to B times A. So this is known as commutative properties. For example, 2 plus 3 is equals to 3 plus 2 equals to 5, which means when you're given numbers to add, you can start either from the left to right or right to left, and so on. Associative properties. Right? In the associative properties, we can see A plus B plus C equals to A plus B plus C. Please observe the bracket. So on the left hand side, we have bracket A plus B, which means we can carry out this operation first. Once we have found the answer, we add to C. On the other hand, if you look at the right hand side, we can also start off with B plus C before we add to A. The same goes for multiplication. A times B times 3, which means we can carry out B times C first before we multiply by A. Or we can also multiply A and B before we multiply with C. For distributive properties, A bracket B plus C is the same as A times B plus A times C, which gives us AB plus AC. Or if it is minus, we can say A bracket B minus C is equals to A times B minus A times C. Identity properties. For example, A plus 0 is equals to 0 plus A, which will give the answer A. For multiplication, A times 1 equals to 1 times A, the answer is A. So any multiplication or addition that produces the same answer without any changes is known as identity property. For inverse properties, if we have A plus negative A, the answer is 0. And if we take multiplication, A times 1 over A, the answer is 1. So for addition, the answer is 0. For multiplication, the answer is 1. So this is known as inverse properties. Elimination properties. If we are given an equation A plus C equals to B plus C, if you look at left hand side and right hand side, you can find C. Therefore, for addition, we can cancel off C on the left side and C on the right hand side. So this is known as elimination properties. For multiplication, A times C on the left side equals to B times C. So we have C and C the same for both left hand side and right hand side. Therefore, we can cancel C and C. So this is another example of elimination properties. Okay, zero properties are actually any real numbers which is any real numbers multiplied by 0 that produce a 0. For example, 2 times 0 will give you 0, or any numbers times 0 will give you 0. So this is known as zero properties. So for multiplication, be careful of the positive and negative numbers, especially the negative numbers. For example, here if positive multiplied with positive, the answer is always positive. If a positive number multiplied with a negative number, the answer is always negative. And negative times positive will give us negative, and negative times negative, the answer is positive.